Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I have an Amazon haul. It's not a very big one, but I wanted to show these. I did show them on my live, but I thought I'd do a video so that you didn't go into the live. But the first thing I have is about my granddaughter these. The Omen of the Star Warriors, the Complete Force series. She's got the other three. I guess there's, I don't know how many of series there are of these. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. So she has the 3 prior, I guess. I don't know what it, yeah. Includes every book in Omen of the Stars. Oh. Okay. Well, this is what she wanted for her birthday. Alley cat. So I got her that. It's fitting because it's got a cat on. Haha. But the other day, I can't remember whose channel I saw these on, and I thought they were so cute that they needed to be in my life. They are these little create your own jewels Anafina slim charms. They are so adorable. You get 100 pieces for this pack was $12.99. Ooh, I'm just gonna spread them out. They're so cute. Look at the little. Get ice cream cones, little pieces of candy. I lost my thought there. I'm sorry. Cupcakes. Look at the little lollipops. They're just adorable. Lollipops, little rainbows, unicorns, little clouds, hearts, ice cream cones, pies, flowers, strawberry. Look at the little M&M. Oh, come on. They're so cute. I'll bring you guys in so you guys can see them a little bit better. Here you go. Sorry. Little bunnies, little cupcakes, little gummy bears, ice cream cones, little eggs, little egg, little whale. I mean, they're so cute. Look at the little cookie. Little moon. They're very cute. Little bows, little shooting star. I'm trying to turn them over so you guys can see them all. They're so cute. They are on Amazon. I will have the links to them in my description if you guys are interested. Look at that little cupcake. So this is the first one. This one was $12.99. There's 100 different pieces here. Look at that little crystal heart. It's so cool. I mean, you could use this somehow if you could. Like make it in like some sort of necklace where it can be worn this way or this way. Because it looks pretty either way. Is that pretty heart? The rainbow is kind of like a plastic. It's not like a resin. So is this one. There's a few like that. Like these right here. 3 right here, a little smushy. But I thought they were so adorable. Oh! I have a stick that belongs on a lollipop. So, one, or maybe it was in the, no, I thought there was 3. I could be wrong. But them are them. The little, like this little unicorn's a smushy one too. Like these up here are all a little smushy. But the rest are really like little resin pieces. But I thought they were so cute. When the lady kind of showed them herself, I'm like, I have to have them in my life. So I bought them. So that's that one. Oh, look at the little strawberry, the ice cream sandwich. I have a thing for miniatures. I don't know if anybody's realizes that. I should do my eraser collection. You guys would flip out. Yeah, I have a thing for little miniatures. I think that's what drew me to these. Okay, this the first bag. This bag right here by this company was $12.99. Here it is again. I will have it linked in the description box so you guys can check it out if you're interested. It's about 2 different brands. Oh, look at the little mini ears. Very cute. They're so cute. Like these last ones. Alright. Oh. Where'd it? I heard it. There, we got it. Doesn't it look like a teddygram? Okay. That is that big. Again, I'll show you this big again. That's what it's made by. Like I said, all description box. Then I came across another thing when I was looking at them. A lot of them popped up. I got this little bag for $9.99. 100 pieces. This one has a lot of bunnies and a lot of cute little dogs. Some are clear. Little french fries, little cat faces, candy, cherries, crown. Wow. Little french fries, flowers, little mermaids. So cute. Look at that. Couple different colors of that. Look at the little hats. They're so cute. Oh, and I got a little fox in this one. I'm going to make Allie a paper clip. That's why it's out. Little mermaid. Look at the little person. So cute. Little hearts. Little dogs. Look at the little mermaid. I will have the link to this set as well in the description box below. Look at the little rubber duck. Well, I call it rubber duck. But I thought they were so cute. And this one was $9.99 for this set. They're so cute. You can glue them on like an ATC card, or you could put a little bevel or whatever they call it on the back, so you can use them in a tassel. So I thought they were so adorable. But this bunch right here was $9.99. This one was $12.99. So I want to just said I do share it. Look at the little emoji. Cute. And look at the little bag of candy. Whoop! I can't pick it up. The little bag of bunny. It has a bunny on it, and it says, I can't read what it says. What does it say? There's no magnifying glass. What's that say? Brown. Oh, it's a chips. Or wait. I can't make out what it's one part's in one color and I can't see it. Yeah, I can't make it out. I'll have to have Scott look if I really wanted to see it. But it says something on there. But it's cute. I see chips. Brown chips. Brown potato chips. I don't know. But I think they're cute. But I just wanted to share. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy. Be kind. Be safe. Be funny. Be crafty. Bye for now.